Hi, welcome back. This is Nick Agram. This is still in the topic non-right angled triangles, the cosine rule. And the purpose of the cosine rule is to find the side of a triangle. Okay, and let's see if we can do that. I'm going to use the first triangle here, the one that I named triangle number 1. Let's see. For example, if we're going to find the side A, so if we can find the height, then we can find the area of A, or the length of A, side A. Let's say, for example, we have by Pythagorean, we have A squared is equal to, we have H squared plus C minus X squared. And then we have, if we simplify that, then we have C squared minus 2CX plus X squared. That is our for our A squared. But we can also find the height. You can see I only want to find the length of A if B and C are given. Okay. So right now I have H here, as you can see. I have H here. I have also H here. And I have also X. I don't need them. I need B and C. Right now I have A squared and C squared. Let's see if we can find those. Okay. For this triangle, the small triangle, we have B squared is equal to H squared, plus X squared. So if we find the value of H now, because we have B squared there, and we need to find the value of H squared. So H squared is equal to B squared minus X squared. Substituting, if we're going to substitute that, we have A squared is equal to B squared minus X squared, the value of H, plus C squared minus 2CX plus X squared. Then I have, this will become 0. Then I have A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2CX. But I don't need X either, so I need to find the value of X now. Okay, let's take a look. We have adjacent side and a hypotenuse there. So we have cosine A is equal to X divided by B. So we have our X is equal to cosine A times B, or B times cosine A. That's better. Okay, substituting once again, we have A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2C multiplied by B cosine A. What is our C? Our C is the base, the whole base there. That means if I want to find the value at the length of A squared, then I need to find the square of the two sides minus 2 times the product of the two sides multiplied by cosine A, the opposite angle of the side that I am looking. Okay, so if I'm going to do this now. B squared. This is the one that I am going to find out. To calculate the length of that, we have a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cosine b, the opposite angle here. Okay, and then if we want to calculate the length of the C, the side C, we have a squared plus b squared minus 2ab, not bc, 2ab cosine, what will be? Cosine the opposite, C. Okay, then we're going to prove the same. This now is your cosine rule. We're going to give another proof using this triangle. So if we find, still we have a, we start with a squared is equal to, we have a plus c, c plus x, sorry, c plus x squared plus h squared, which you can see there. If we expand that, that is c squared plus 2cx plus x squared plus h squared. We don't need h, that's why I'm going to find the value of h. So we have b squared is equal to x squared, x squared plus h squared. So we have h squared is equal to b squared minus x squared. Substituting, we have a squared is equal to c squared plus 2cx plus x squared plus b squared minus x squared. Then that is 0. Then we have c squared plus 2cx plus b squared. I don't need x, that's why I need to find the value of x using this angle. So we have sine, and no, not sine, that's cosine, because it's this adjacent side. Cosine 180 degrees minus a is equal to adjacent side, x divided by the hypotenuse b. And we know that cosine 180 minus a, that is in the second quadrant, that means that is negative. So cosine a, the same value, but it is negative, that is x divided by b. So we have x is equal to b, negative b, cosine a. Substituting once again, we have a squared is equal to c squared plus 2c, and the value of x is negative b, cosine a, plus b squared. Rearrange, we have b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine a squared. That this is exactly the same as the one we got there. Okay, I'm not going to show all the variations of this. As a summary, you can see here now. So just remember, what you can remember here is that when you have a there, you have the cosine a, and you have to add the square of the two sides and then twice their product, the minus there. Just remember that. Okay, this side, the opposite angle. Okay, in my next video, I will be discussing some examples. Okay, where we can use the sine rule. And thank you for watching once again. I hope to see you on my next video. Have a nice day.